Hello and welcome Josephites. This is your presenter Diva Batavia bringing you the latest updates from St. Joseph's University. Here we aim to keep you connected, engaged and up to date. Coming up in this broadcast, a massive 2-day campaign was held at St. Joseph's University on account of student council elections. The Josephite Media Forum was flagged off with a grand show put up by the students of the Mass Communication and Journalism Department at the PG Quadrangle. Creighton University students embark on cultural exchange at St. Joseph's University, exploring India's heritage and global perspectives. The Department of Economics held an investiture ceremony to confer the newly elected student council members. In a noteworthy development, the first and second year students of the MA Journalism and Mass Communication program at St. Joseph's University proudly launched the Josephite Media Forum, the official association of the MCJ department. The event was marked up by an exceeding lineup of activities, including emotive speeches, an open mic session, and captivating dance performances. For more insights, let us learn more from our ground reporter, Shrishti.
Today we are here with Dr. Mridu Shah, who is the teacher coordinator of Josephite Media Forum. So let's ask her about the future plans of JMF. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Can you please elaborate on what are the future plans that we are planning for the JMF?
Yeah, sure. So JMF obviously will have a lot of events happening in the coming year. So we are planning for a lot of seminars, a lot of workshops, cultural events, and also we'll have our signature event that always happens yearly, which is the MediaCon. It is an international media conference that will be held, annually. So we usually have it in the January. So since the energy is high, we are having a good vibe over here in JMF. We are looking forward for a lot of events to happen this year. So let's see.
Thank you so much ma'am. With camera person Pratham, I'm Srishti. Thank you.
On August 2nd, St. Joseph's University hosted its much-anticipated student council elections with candidates from both undergraduate and postgraduate competing for several council posts. During the 2-day election campaign, the presence of a huge crowd, the buzzing energy of bands and campaign materials such as posters, banners and placards added to the lively election atmosphere. Let us hear more from our ground reporter Navya.
This is a reporter Navya and we are at the Arupe block covering the student council elections of St. Joseph's University. Let us know from the candidates and voters what they are looking forward to in this year's election. So Nivedita, you are contesting for the joint secretary post, and what are your aspirations? Like, what would you bring in if you are elected? So what are your plans and your missions?
So hi, I've been part of Joseph's for the last 5 years, and the UG crowd and the PG crowd, you can differentiate, and I think PG crowd is affected by this thing called as PG complex. It's in our head. We feel that fun is for UG students, we feel that association, sports, cultural, fest, everything is for the UG students. So my mission would be to eradicate that together along with you all.
We have Sakleen with us. So Sakleen, what do you think about this year's elections?
This year's campus elections have got all the candidates to get something new to campus. As this year social media campaign was introduced, and it's been different and new, and it's going really good. All the candidates are putting all their efforts, and it's going far really good.
So what do you look forward in an ideal candidate?
I would think an ideal candidate is the one who leads everyone, especially the freshers, because as a fresher there was no one for us, and give everyone an equal opportunity and not just be biased.
We have Yunus Khan contesting for the post of treasurer. So Yunus, what do you think? Would you win?
Seeing the atmosphere and seeing the crowd, I think definitely yes.
Okay, so what makes you different from other contestants?
The way I work, the way I plan events and all, completely different from the other things. I have experienced a lot of events.
This was the exclusive coverage of the 2-day election campaigning for the Student Council Elections 2024. Signing off, this is your reporter Navya with camera person Unnati Mishra.
Collaborative Association of Economic Forum managed by UG students and Economica managed by PG students garnered insights on economics from chief guest Dr. Suma Singh, Registrar, Mount Carmel College. Let us take a look at our reporter Unnati in conversation with Forum Vice President.
Today we have with us Anaga. She's the Vice President of the Economic Forum. Hi Anaga. So could you tell me more about the Economic Forum's this year's agenda? Like what are they planning to do and what is any particular theme that they have decided for this year?
Okay, so for this year, like very much like last time, we've got a great team and we aim to achieve lots of things. For themes, we're keeping different themes for different months because economics is not a subject that can be subjected to a single year of theme. We're trying for multiple themes, as much as 12 per year, as many as the number of months in a year. And the themes will be revealed very soon and please stay tuned for that.
Sure. And you have been appointed as the Vice President. So what are your aspirations for the forum?
Okay. So my aspirations primarily for the forum would be to connect it to a very national level. Because what I've realized from the last year is that we've got a phenomenal team. We are quite well known in the university and in our surrounding Bangalore universities. But our scope should not be limited to that. We are much more than Bangalore, we are much more than our university, and St. Joseph's University should be known by its economics forum. So anything that goes towards that through our themes will be organized this year.
Okay, all right. And what is the unique thing or something new that we expect from the forum this time?
Well, we've got a very unique thing this time because we've got a lot of inclusivity, equity and diversity here. So I wouldn't be revealing because that would be bursting a bubble, but please, it will be a great year for us and we can assure you of very exciting opportunities for the entire college to participate in.
All right, we are hoping to see that. Thank you, Anaga. This is reporter Unnati with camera person Diva signing off.
Seven students from Creighton University, Nebraska, USA have arrived at St. Joseph's University as part of the Global Initiatives Buddy program. Their visit to India is focused on exploring the country's diverse culture and gaining a deeper understanding of its rich heritage. This exchange aims to enhance the global perspective and foster cross-cultural connections. We have Ms. Krista from Creighton University sharing their experience with Joseph's News.
Hello, my name is Krista Supich-Wander and I'm from Creighton University in Omaha, Nebraska, USA, and we're located right in the heart of the USA. We are so excited to be here at St. Joseph's. Today is the 1st of August and this trip has been 5 or more years in the making. And today we have a group of 6, soon to be 7 Creighton students here visiting St. Joseph's who discuss and become excited about and immersed in topics surrounding Indian culture and sustainability. And the most important part of this experience is the partnership between St. Joseph students and Creighton students as they are learning and sharing together. Thank you.
Stay tuned, stay updated. For more information, keep watching Joseph's News.